If you're looking for a reliable crypto exchange with big rewards, this video is for you. We're diving deep into OKX, one of the most popular crypto trading platforms, and I'll show you how to get a welcome bonus using the referral code BONUS999. By the end, you'll know what OKX offers, its main pros and cons, and whether it's the right exchange for you. Let's get started. Part 1. What is OKX? OKX is a global cryptocurrency exchange known for its wide range of trading products: spot trading, futures, options, staking, and even a built-in Web3 wallet. It was created to make digital asset trading easier and more secure for both beginners and professional traders. The platform has grown fast thanks to its strong focus on innovation, security, and user experience. In short, OKX aims to be a one-stop crypto ecosystem, not just an exchange. Part 2. Core features. OKX offers several key products. First, spot trading, where you can trade hundreds of cryptocurrencies at low fees. Second, derivatives. You can trade futures, perpetual swaps, and options with high liquidity and powerful charting tools. Third, the Earn section. This allows you to stake or lend your crypto to earn passive income safely. Fourth, the OKX wallet, a decentralized Web3 wallet that connects you to DeFi, NFTs, and dApps directly. All these features are integrated into one platform, which is what makes OKX stand out. Part 3. Fees and usability. The OKX is well known for its competitive fees. Trading fees start very low and can decrease further depending on your trading volume or OKB token holdings. The interface is smooth both on desktop and mobile, with simple onboarding for new users. Security is also a strong point. OKX uses cold wallet storage and real-time risk management systems to protect user funds. Part 4. Welcome bonus and referral code. Now, let's talk about the welcome bonus. When you register using the referral code BONUS999, you can qualify for a welcome bonus of up to 10,000 USDT, depending on your location and the tasks you complete. It's usually tied to simple actions: verifying your account, KYC, making a first deposit, or completing your first trade. To claim it, go to the OKX sign-up page. Enter the code BONUS999 in the referral field. Complete your verification and follow the reward steps. Always check OKX's terms in your country, since the bonus amount may vary by region. Part 5. Pros and cons. Let's look at the real-world pros and cons of using OKX. Pros: huge variety of trading products in one place. Competitive fees compared to major exchanges. Secure infrastructure and transparent proof of reserves. Advanced tools but still beginner-friendly. Cons: not available in some countries due to regulations. The number of features can feel overwhelming for total beginners. Some bonuses depend on completing specific tasks, not automatic payouts. Part 6. How to get started. Getting started is quick. Go to OKX's website. Click Sign Up, enter your email, password, and referral code BONUS999. Verify your identity and start exploring the platform. Once you complete your first deposit or trade, check your reward center to see your welcome bonus. So, is OKX worth it? If you want a reliable, feature-rich exchange with access to Web3 tools and great rewards, OKX is definitely one of the top options. Use the referral code BONUS999 when you sign up to unlock your welcome bonus. Trade smart, stay safe, and always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. That's it for today's OKX review. If this helped, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more crypto insights.